go in any school in Michigan or anywhere in the United States, and you will hear teachers say students have changed. And what we're seeing is that the brain's attention span is getting shorter and shorter. And what we're finding as educators in the classroom is now those transition times have to start getting shorter and shorter, or we're losing our students in that process. With BenQ, our transition times are much faster than what they used to be. So we're not losing students as we're trying to change what they're viewing because we have to walk back to the desktop. Or a student wants to share, they have to send it to you via email, or you have to pull up the submission and try to find it. Like the student can just use InstaShare and show it right up on the board. So having that decreased amount of time to move from activity to activity, or even being able to do impromptu activities and not take a long time, gives that teacher more time with their students to get deeper with activities, but then also not lose them to distractions that happen in the classroom along the way.